I wanted to share with you 3 of my favorite, but definitely less known print on demand companies that I think you should check out. Starting strong, we have T-Launch. Now, T-Launch literally has hundreds of products, and I haven't been on T-Launch in like a month, and just in the last month, they have so many new products. These drink holders, the leather, that is new. The stone coasters are new. The plant containers are new. The car coasters, which I think are super cute and definitely great for the car niche, obviously. They go in the cup holder of your car. Those are also new. Lots of new products. And maybe products that you wouldn't even think are print on demand. With print on demand comes research, and research includes deciding what's going to be practical and fit well with your niche. And I promise you, not every niche needs a t-shirt. And T-Launch and the 2 other print-on-demand providers that I want to show you today definitely prove that with the huge variety of products that they offer. There are literally so many products that T-Launch offers, and then as well you can organize them by categories on the side. When it comes to profits with print on demand, I feel like finding something that is a little bit bigger that you can charge more for is going to increase your profits, as opposed to maybe sticking with just selling like apparel, such as rugs. Definitely have a higher profit margin. Another really high profit margin product would be these die cut metal signs, especially if you are providing or selling the larger size. It gets up to 36 inches, which you can see is pretty large from these mock-up images, but it costs $105 to produce. So this is a sign that you could be charging at least $100 for, if not more. I mean, you have to make a profit. But big products like this, as well as rugs, are going to have that profit margin be astronomically higher than just selling t-shirts and making peanuts. When coming up with a print-on-demand product that you might want to sell to your niche, do your research and see if you can fit in one of these higher profit products for your shop. Printed Mint is the next print provider that I want to show you, and again, some of these products that you see, like the charcuterie boards or the jewelry travel cases, or even the banners or swaddle blankets, you might not necessarily think of as print-on-demand products. Printed Mint definitely has a huge variety of, again, products that are not just apparel and t-shirts, from recipe books to wick trimmers to pet bandanas and ornaments. They have hundreds of products that you can be adding into your shop. You can search their products on the left-hand side. They have their accessories, apparel, babies and kids, candles, holiday, home goods, and as well as mugs and drinkware, pets, poster prints, stationery, and tech products. Let's look at home goods and see what they offer. So there's blankets, drinkware, pet products, pillows, wall art, and wallpaper, which I absolutely love and I want to show you. So wallpaper on Printed Mint is going to come in the largest size of 2 by 10 feet. And it essentially is sold in strips. And when it comes to designing wallpaper, I would definitely suggest designing an all over repeating pattern. You want to really get to know your niche because this is a premium product. When someone comes to order this from you, they're definitely going to need more than just one roll unless they are doing a small wall. Like, for example, the wall behind my laptop right now is maybe 4 feet, but it's pretty high. So I would probably need 2, if not 3 rolls of wallpaper to cover this small wall. Now, if someone wanted to cover a wall like in the picture in a nursery, that would be several rolls, which would probably be several $100s as an order. So this wallpaper is definitely another premium product that you could be offering and selling on your print on demand shop. My favorite thing to do when I'm looking at new print providers is literally just spend my time scrolling through all of the products and any ideas that pop in my head, either for niche focused stores or product focused stores. I just write them down and I kind of come up with a list for myself to either keep in mind for when I want to create my own print on demand shop, or I keep in mind for clients. I've actually written an ebook that I have linked down below with 50 ideas of product ideas as well as shop ideas that you can look through, as well as the sizing required for those designs. So if you're interested in that ebook, it's linked down below. Now back to Printed Mint. On the totes and bags section of their accessories category, they have jewelry, travel cases, lunch boxes, car mats, wine totes, yoga mats, sequin pull string bags, slim can coolers, a golf towel, a skinny bottle, like a can, what is that? Like a glass bottle wrap, which they call it because if you don't know this, koozie, the word koozie is actually trademarked. So if you are selling a can cooler like this, you don't want to call it a koozie because that is a copyrighted trademarked word. But even with these kind of low priced print on demand products, you can still charge enough to where you are earning at least a 40% profit. So like this can cooler, for example, costs $4.50 to produce. Depending on what's going on that can cooler, you can charge maybe a little bit more of a premium price, but you also want to keep in mind your ideal audience. What is their budget like? What are they willing to spend on that? Would it be better to maybe include it in a bundle to get that price point higher? The way I could see this working with maybe a $10 to maybe $15 price point would be if you were offering it to a niche, let's say like the bridal party niche, to where you could offer your customer to add customization to this product. I feel like then you'd be able to have that maybe $10 to $15 price point that your customer would feel comfortable with spending on such a small item. Whereas this yoga mat towel, it costs almost $20 to produce, but some yoga mats, depending on the quality, can cost almost like $100. So this one definitely gives you leeway on how much you can be charging for something. But as I suggest on my channel is if you want to start selling a product to your audience and on your shop, I would definitely order samples to make sure that the product that you are selling is to your standards, because it's going to essentially be representing you, your brand, your business, your shop, and you want to make sure that you are delivering quality products to your audience. Customer service is definitely a huge part of running a product-based business, so you want to make sure that the products that you are providing do a lot of the overall work for you by being good products to begin with. And like T-Launch, as well as Printed Mint and the next print provider that I'm going to be showing you, it's all completely free to sign up for these and have an account. Next, we are going to check out MWW On Demand. MWW On Demand is definitely my go-to for all over print products. They have 4 different categories that they organize their products into, and that's accessories, apparel, home decor, and wall decor. So let's check out each, and we can scroll through and I can show you a little bit of the products that MWW offers. So here are their different accessories that they offer, from desk mats to totes to scarves and fanny packs, bandanas, backpacks. Everything you see here though has an all over pattern, which I think is really cool. I love an all over pattern. Okay, so those are the accessories. Let's go to apparel. Apparel offered on MWW On Demand is anything from like swimwear to PJs, denim jackets, leggings, skirts and dresses and socks, and even windbreakers and swim trunks. So lots of really cool apparel, and definitely more than they used to have. I feel like print on demand, with the more popular it becomes, these companies are realizing, you know, if we don't offer what our customers are looking for, they're gonna fall behind in the print on demand race. So when I first started using MWW On Demand, they definitely did not have as many products offered as they do now. So it's really cool to see all the new products that they have. Next is the home decor category, from rugs, bath mats, what would those be called, like table placemats, desk mats, comforters, pillows, indoor and outdoor things, picnic blankets, quilted blankets, shower curtains, window curtains, yoga towels, woven blankets. Lots of really cool stuff. And lastly, their wall decor category offers wrapped canvases, metal prints, pennants, the wood-topped wall tapestry, which are becoming very popular, as well as print posters, regular tapestries, and then woven wall tapestries. Now, I feel like with most of the products that MWW offers, especially their home decor, these can be priced at a more premium rate, especially larger items like the rugs, comforters, picnic blankets, and then all of the quilted items, as well as the woven items. Now, with the woven blanket, I've seen these on Etsy, and they are really good quality, but they also, the way you have to design them, you have to use a certain coloring system just when you are creating your images, because the way these are made, they only offer you to use certain colors within your design. Just that's how the printing process goes. But it could either be a photo, like a picture of you or your client, or designs. Now, I've seen these do really well again in the like wedding niche, to where it is a custom design that incorporates some type of elements or imagery that your niche would be connected to, and then you're able to customize it with your customer's name or anniversary or wedding date. And these sell, at least I've seen them on Etsy, sell for $100 to $150 depending on the size. So again, woven blankets are definitely an item that you could be selling to your niche for a more premium price point and profit. So between MWW On Demand, Print It Mint, and T-Launch, you literally are now aware of hundreds of new products that you can be researching and eventually selling to your niche. Again, I have my 50 plus ideas for shops and products ebook linked down below. If you have any questions about designing for these products or integrations for these products, comment your questions. I'm more than happy to help. Until then, be a rebel, and I can't wait to see what you design using these print providers. See you next time.